Hi, my name's Kim. I'm an East Asian medical provider and a Taoist practitioner. Back in January 2024, there was this great research report, and it was published in Nature's Communication. It talked about why you might have post-exercise fatigue if you have long COVID or if you have vax injury. And it was based off of this report that I started in a new direction. I started doing my treadmill therapy, trying to figure out if what they said in this report really could work for me and could get me back out in nature and hiking again. The research report found that the muscles were repairing incorrectly. So instead of doing this balance of fast twitch, slow twitch muscles, the muscles were repairing to all fast twitch muscles. And fast twitch muscles use glucose. Those muscles are for short bursts of energy. And so when you're doing things like jogging, which is slow and needs oxygen, you don't have the muscles that use oxygen, and so you get fatigued really fast. The research also thought that if you did really slow exercise, you should be able to encourage your muscles to repair correctly and get back to a perfect balance of slow and fast twitch muscles. I wanted to see if I did that slow therapy on the treadmill, it would repair my muscles enough so that I could get back out into nature doing slow exercise. If you've been watching my treadmill therapy, it's been going really well. So that encouraged me to be bold enough to head back out into the mountains and try, a simple hike. And here I am. I headed up to Sisters. I'm at about 3,000 feet. This is Sahali Falls. It's really easy to get to this. It is not even a hike. You can make it a long hike, but you don't have to. What I really liked about this hike was there was still snow on the ground, and the snow is kind of icy because it's melting and then it's freezing and it's melting and it's freezing again. So it's pretty icy out here. And what was great for me is I got to wear my ice cleats. So here's the falls, and you can see why you always want to get back out into nature, because this was just
Look at how blue
gorgeous.
that is.
Yep, that's pretty awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, talk about breaks to melt, huh?
No kidding.
Wow, that is good, huh?
It's gorgeous. But I'm not getting short of breath.
Yeah, I'll definitely have to take it easy going back up.
Okay.
Not overload yourself.
Yes, you heard that correctly. That was my husband suggesting that we should go back, and me saying no, because I don't have shortness of breath. And here's the problem with whatever this post-exercise fatigue is, because both my husband and I are suffering from it. It's such a liar. It's so hard to tell when you've overdone it or when you've gone too far. If you've watched my treadmill therapy, I'm really confused at trying to figure out what are the warning signs. When we got back to the car, I took my pulse ox and it was at 94, 95, and it did get back up to 97, but it wasn't at 94 and 95 for that jump, for that heartbeat. It was at 94, 95 for a while. And when that happens, I know things are going to go really sideways
There we
over the
go.
next few days.
Okay, I'm
And
coming
yet
down.
I'm insanely hard-headed when we're out in nature. So, of course, I found another place to go walk around and hike around. The problem was, even though my pulse ox was saying things were bad, I didn't feel horrible. And by the time we got done walking around this second thing, my pulse ox was down to 94, 95 consistently, and it wasn't coming back up. I think elevation magnifies whatever this issue is. Okay, so in my next episode, we'll go over everything that happened and where we are now. Okay, until next time, I'll catch you on the other side.